Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to copy a page in WordPress step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know two different methods for duplicating a page, so whether you want a perfect clone of an entire page or just want to reuse the content somewhere else, you'll have the know-how to save time and avoid repetitive work. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the quickest way to duplicate a page in WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and on the left-hand side, click on Pages and then select All Pages. This gives you a list of every page on your site. Now locate the page you want to copy. Maybe it's a sales page you want to revise or a landing page template you're reusing. When you hover your mouse over the page title, you should see some additional links appear like Edit and Trash, but you're looking for one that says Duplicate or sometimes Clone, depending on your theme or plugins. Go ahead and click that link. As soon as you do, WordPress creates a draft version of that page. The magic here is that your entire page layout, images, content, everything is copied over, but it's not yet published. Now, why is this handy? Because it lets you make edits, tweak your content, or change up the design without worrying about accidentally breaking your original page. It's like photocopying a document, so you can mark it up with notes before handing it out. Once you're happy with your changes, just publish your new page and you're good to go. Now, sometimes you might not see a duplicate or clone option, especially if you're using a fresh WordPress install without extra plugins. No worries, there's another method you can use. This one's a little more manual, but just as effective. First, go back to Pages and All Pages, then click to open the existing page you want to copy. Just hit Edit underneath the title. This opens the page in the block editor where you can see all your content blocks. Look to the top right corner for three little vertical dots. That's the Options menu. Click those dots and you'll see an option called Copy All Blocks. Select that and WordPress automatically copies every content block on your page to your clipboard. In a way, it's like picking up every Lego on your page in one scoop, ready to build something new. Next, you'll want to create your new page. From the Pages menu, choose Add New. When the new blank page opens, simply right-click and paste or use Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac, and all your content will drop right in. Same layout, same formatting. Now it's important not to forget some basics. Give your page a new title, since copied pages always start as untitled or with the old name. Also, scroll over and add any categories or tags your page needs, and if you use an SEO plugin like Yoast, make sure to update your metadata and focus keywords. Consider this like setting the label and tabs on a new folder you've just created. And that's it. Whether you're using the duplicate link for a fast clone or copying blocks manually for more flexibility, you can now quickly copy any page in WordPress. Take your time with each step and don't worry if something looks different for you. WordPress themes and plugins can change these labels, but the overall process is the same. Alright, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into snags, drop me a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.